Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you how I make one of my all-time favorites, Nigerian fried rice. It's tasty, colorful, and it can be used in any gathering. So here are the ingredients you will need. You will need some long grain Basmati rice, some shrimps, red bell pepper, red kidney beans, some sweet corn, some carrots, and green peas. I'm using the frozen one. You can use fresh ones if you have them. Habanero pepper that's chopped, just one habanero pepper, just for a little heat. Some yellow onions and some green onions for garnish. So you can add some more ingredients if you want, or you can just fix it to yourself. So here I'm seasoning the shrimps so I can set it aside to marinate. I rub in some seasoning powder and some garlic powder. So first thing to do is to get the rice ready. I have already washed my rice and I am putting it in the pot to fry for a little bit. I would fry the rice just alone for a while. That helps the rice to not get spoiled quickly, because it's fried rice, it can easily get spoiled. So I just fry the rice alone before I then go in to season it with some curry powder and some thyme powder. Then I would also go in with the chicken broth. You would see how I made the chicken at the end of the video and how I made the liver, the beef liver. So I go in with some chicken broth and some water, then I cover the rice to cook. While the rice is cooking, I would prepare the shrimps and the vegetables that I would need for the fried rice. So 2 minutes on each side for the shrimps, and once that is done, then I take it out and set it aside while I prepare the vegetables and the liver. This is beef liver. At the end of the video you would see how I made the chicken and the liver. So the rice is ready now. I fluff it and I would set it aside to get the vegetables sauteed and ready to combine everything together. So in the pot I put in some oil, some onions, then I saute the habanero pepper, or you can use scotch bonnet if you have. Then I go in with my vegetables, the green peas and the carrot. Then I season it and I also put in the sweet corn and all the vegetables. I just combine everything together and I season it with some curry and some seasoning, chicken seasoning powder. I don't do this for too long so as not to overcook the vegetables, just to combine it and saute it so it can be tasty and not taste raw. Then I combine everything into the rice. See how colorful it is. Make sure to taste the rice to be sure that the seasoning is balanced, and continue to stir fry in all your ingredients. If you're using diced chicken, you can add some now. If you're using shrimps like I'm using, you put it in. The liver, put it in. Just stir fry everything, all your ingredients now, and your fried rice is ready. It was so delicious, and I hope you give the recipe a try. You can serve your fried rice with some moi moi or some plantains, fried plantains, or just chicken or beef or fish. Whatever you like, you can serve it with, or some coleslaw or salad. Yes, it works great. Sometimes I even prefer fried rice to jollof rice. It depends on how well you know how to make it. And I hope that this recipe puts you on the right path on making it well, because this turned out great. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Please do well to like, share and subscribe, and I'll be in the comments to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching, and here is the extra footage of how I made the chicken and how I made the beef liver.